We need the PAW Patrol pups to have fun with this magical Play-Doh. Fizzy, wizzy, bobbizzy, bop. It's little Marshall, little Skye, little Zuma, little Rubble, little Rocky, little Chase, and little Everest. Little Marshall, what would you like to see? Can you make a black train? Yes! Here's our black Play-Doh. And does Marshall have black on him? Yes, he has black spots. Before we make a black train, let's put Marshall in the Play-Doh. Is it magical Play-Doh? Can it make him grow? Wow, it worked! He's bigger! Whoa, it really worked! He's huge! Look at this super big Marshall! That is a magical Play-Doh! And now we're going to make a black train. Here's our train. And now we have a black train for our giant Marshall. Up next, we have a little teeny tiny Skye. Little Skye, what would you like to see? I would like to see a pink bunny rabbit. Okay, here's our pink Play-Doh. And let's see if it's magical and can make Skye grow. It worked! She got bigger! And she got even bigger! That is a magical Play-Doh. Let's go ahead and make a pink bunny rabbit. Here's our little bunny. And now we have a cute little pink bunny rabbit. Up next we have little Zuma, and this little Zuma is wearing orange. Hey little Zuma, what would you like to see? I would like to see an orange Lightning McQueen. Wow, that sounds awesome. Well, here's our orange Play-Doh. And now let's see if it can make Zuma bigger. In you go, Zuma. It did make Zuma bigger, and it turned Zuma into a pullback racer. Whoa! Let's make an orange Lightning McQueen. Here's Lightning McQueen. And now we have a super cool, super fast orange Lightning McQueen. Whoa! Here's our little Rubble on the double, wearing yellow. What would you like to see, Rubble? I would like to see a yellow pineapple. Okay, Rubble, pineapples are delicious. Here's our yellow Play-Doh. And let's see what happens when we put Rubble in it. Wow, it made Rubble bigger. Whoa, and now we have a big giant Rubble. That was some very magical Play-Doh. And look, whoa, he can dig in the Play-Doh. Dig, 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 dig. It's time for us to make that yellow pineapple for him. Here's our pineapple. And now we have a yellow pineapple for our big giant Rubble. We have little Rocky wearing green. Hey Rocky, what do you want me to make? I would like to see a teal dinosaur. Okay, we have this teal Play-Doh. And it's time for us to see if it's magical and can make Rocky grow. Yes, Rocky got bigger. And now he's even bigger. So super cool. It's time for us to make a big teal dinosaur. Here is our big dinosaur. Here's our big dinosaur. And now we have a big giant teal dinosaur. Up next, we have little Chase. He wears blue. Okay, Chase, what would you like me to make? I would like to see a blue zebra. Okay, we have our blue Play-Doh. And it's time to see if it's magical Play-Doh. Hey, Chase did get bigger. And now we have a super duper huge Chase. Look at him. I wonder what happens if we pop this up. Look. We can pull these out. And oh my goodness, I think we can launch this. Whoa! Yes, we can. And now it's time for us to make a blue zebra. Here's our zebra. And now we have a little blue zebra for Chase. Our last little pup is little Everest. She's purple. Everest, what would you like to see? I would like to see a purple Minnie Mouse. Okay, we have purple Play-Doh, and we need to see if it's magical and can change Everest. Here's little Everest. It worked! It made her bigger! Whoa! It made her snowmobile appear too! Well, that is some super duper crazy magical Play-Doh! Here she comes! Woo! Oh no! She bumped into the Play-Doh! I'm okay! Let's see that purple Minnie Mouse though! Okay, let's go ahead and make the purple Minnie Mouse. Here's Minnie Mouse. And now we have a purple Minnie Mouse. Today, with our super magical Play-Doh, we made a black train, a pink bunny, an orange lightning McQueen, a yellow pineapple, a teal dinosaur, a blue zebra, and a purple Minnie Mouse.